Alright, today I'm going to show you how to take a link, which is this. Wait, hold on. Take a link out of watches without going to any jewelry store or to the mall and like paying for it and such. It's a simple hack. You can just do it at home with like screwdriver, pliers, and you can use a what's that thing called again? Thumbtack, or you can find one of these. These are like, these come in the hold on. These come in like kits like these with like the nail clip and such. I don't know what this for. I think it's for like bumps or something. I have to take out ear and ear bumps, but whatever. I went ahead and took my link out, but obviously what you do, find the link, right? You would measure on your arm first how many links you want to take out. Then you could like put a tape or something on the link. So I took the tape off, but when I measured it on my wrist. I put the tape right here to remind me that this is a link I want to take out. You're gonna have to take out 2 links if you're gonna adjust the watch. So you're gonna need to take out 2 different links. So what I did was I found you gotta find a spot where the link can like fall through, because if you put in a flat surface, right, and you try to knock the link out, then it's gonna like hit on the surface like this, so it's not gonna like come out properly. So what I did was this was a really perfect, this hole right here. So I put the watch like exactly right here. So the link, when the link was on it, so this was the piece I took off. So I placed it right over the hole, right, and then what I did was I put this in here in the hole, give it a little twist. Try push it like far as possible as you can without knocking it. Once you get it as far as you can, then you put it over. As I said, you don't have to get a pliers necessarily. If you have like, I don't even know, like a crack somewhere, like if you're outside working on it and you have a crack in the wood, you can place it over the crack just so that the pin can like go as far as possible. So when I put it right here, right, place this thing in, and then like I would have the screwdriver head and just knock it. It took like 2 seconds, like 2 seconds, and then I took it out. And I'm gonna put it back together. So it's just the same process anyways. I already measured it, made sure that it's the correct fit. I can't believe I had to like take so much link out, to be honest. My wrist, I don't know, I didn't expect my wrist to be that small, but I took quite like probably like 3 links out already. Maybe the watch was just big, maybe it's the brand, I don't know, but yeah. So I'm gonna put it back in right now. So there it is. Quick and easy. Cause my cousin actually went to the mall to get his link, 2 of his links out, and it cost him like freaking $50, and that was like crazy for something that you can do in like 30 seconds, you know.